Welcome to Fighter Jet Force. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at one of South Asia's most overlooked yet rapidly modernizing air powers, the Bangladesh Air Force. As we step into 2025, BAF is no longer just a regional defense unit, it is evolving into a strategically capable, modern air force. Let's explore its rise, capabilities, and future potential. 1. Background and history. The Bangladesh Air Force (BAF) was officially established on September 28, 1971, during the Liberation War. It started with just a few aircraft and a handful of pilots, yet played a courageous role in the fight for independence. Over the years, BAF transformed from a basic defensive unit into a multi-role air force. Its motto, Akash Rakibo Mukto, "We shall keep the sky free," reflects its enduring commitment to national defense. In the decades following independence, BAF operated older Soviet and Chinese jets like the MiG-21 and F-6. However, after 2010, under the Forces Goal 2030 vision, the Bangladesh government prioritized air modernization, making significant investments in fighter jets, radars, missile defense, and pilot training. 2. Modernization under Forces Goal 2030. BAF's transformation is part of the Forces Goal 2030, a long-term defense modernization plan launched by the Bangladesh government. The key objectives include replacing aging aircraft with modern multi-role fighters, enhancing radar and surveillance capabilities, integrating modern air defense systems, expanding air bases and training academies, developing indigenous aerospace support infrastructure. By 2025, these goals are already taking shape. New aircraft, advanced radars, simulation centers, and air-to-air, air-to-ground missile systems are strengthening BAF's capabilities. One major achievement is the upgrade of BAF's MiG-29 fleet with modern avionics, radar systems, and weapons. The introduction of Yak-130 advanced trainers, C-130J Super Hercules, and CN-295 tactical transports has given BAF strategic depth. With potential deals for J-10C, F-17 Block 3, or even Turkish TFX jets on the horizon, the future looks even more promising. 3. Bangladesh's Combat Fleet 2025. As of 2025, the BAF maintains a mix of upgraded legacy fighters and modern platforms. Its core fleet includes MiG-29B UB, Russian-made twin-engine multi-role fighters, upgraded with new radar, avionics, and weapons. F-7BGI, a Chinese interceptor jet with digital cockpit and beyond visual range missile support. Yak-130, a fourth-generation advanced jet trainer with light attack capabilities. K-8W Karakoram, used for pilot training and light combat roles. C-130J Super Hercules, strategic airlift aircraft with global mission reach. CN-295 Spanish medium-lift aircraft for tactical transport. The Air Force is also exploring modern fighter procurement to replace the aging F-7s. The most discussed options include Chengdu J-10C China A 4.5 Gen fighter with AESA radar and Place 15 BVR missiles. JF-17 Thunder Block 3 jointly developed by Pakistan and China with superior avionics. Turkish TFX, a 5th Gen stealth fighter under development. With these future additions, BAF is preparing to enter a new era of air dominance in the Bay of Bengal region. 4. Radar, missiles and air defense systems. BAF's transformation isn't just about aircraft. Radar, missile defense, and surveillance have seen major upgrades. FM-90 SAM system provides short-range air defense coverage using modern missile interceptors. Ground-based 3D radars, acquired from China and Europe, these radars enhance early warning and control capabilities. Mobile air defense units, ensuring mobility and rapid deployment during emergencies. Electronic warfare systems, being integrated for jamming, spoofing, and countermeasure operations. Bangladesh is also interested in medium-range SAMs like HQ-9 or HISARO, aiming to build layered air defense networks by 2025. Combined with mobile radar systems, these upgrades ensure secure airspace even in contested environments. 5. Drones, satellites and surveillance. In 2025, BAF is stepping into next-gen warfare through UAVs and satellite surveillance. Surveillance drones such as Wing Long I-2 and Turkish Bayraktar TB2 are being considered. These drones offer both ISR intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike capabilities. Bangladesh is also developing its own surveillance and communication satellite network with foreign cooperation. With increasing maritime interests in the Bay of Bengal and frequent natural disasters, UAVs are not just military assets but also valuable for border patrol, rescue missions, and disaster management. 6. Pilot training and infrastructure. A modern air force needs skilled pilots and engineers. Bangladesh has invested heavily in training. New flight simulators for MiG-29, Yak-130, and F-7. Upgraded Bangladesh Air Force Academy (BAFA) for training cadets in advanced technology. International pilot exchange programs with China, Russia, and Turkey. Moreover, BAF is building new airbases and hangars to support heavy-lift aircraft, UAVs, and future stealth fighters. Logistic and maintenance capabilities are also being improved, reducing foreign dependency and ensuring better operational readiness. 7. Strategic role in South Asia. Though Bangladesh follows a defensive policy, BAF plays a growing strategic role in South Asia. Protection of national airspace, counter-insurgency support within the country, securing the Bay of Bengal air and maritime zones, humanitarian operations and UN peacekeeping missions, disaster relief and evacuation operations. As regional tensions grow, a strong and self-reliant air force gives Bangladesh leverage in diplomacy, defense, and regional partnerships. With stable leadership and consistent military policy, the BAF is on track to become a smart air force, balanced, efficient, and prepared for modern threats. In conclusion, the Bangladesh Air Force in 2025 is no longer a modest or outdated unit. With a growing fleet of fighters, modern radars, surface-to-air missile systems, drones, and elite training programs, BAF has transformed into a credible regional air power. It's not just keeping the skies safe, it's preparing to face the future. As modernization continues under Forces Goal 2030, the Bangladesh Air Force will remain a vital pillar of national defense and regional stability. This is Fighter Jet Force. Like, share, and subscribe for more detailed updates on fighter jets and military aviation around the world. See you next time.